the back.
Okay, let's get, are these the ones?
I think it's this.
Doing a good job, Bubba.
That's goes in the back. It goes in the back. You see?
Is that it? Yeah, this
Yeah,
is
that one adds on to that. Yep.
That's
Alright.
his tail, right?
Yeah, fire
Ooh.
tail. And this is his.
Okay, look. We need this one. Hagen, look. We need this one, right?
Yeah.
It's just like a puzzle. We need this piece.
Yeah.
Okay, then we need his head.
His head is right here.
Okay.
This is a horse's head. Today. And he's go like this.
Tiny little head, huh, buddy?
Yeah.
All right. Do you see how it goes in?
Yeah, you'll put it together right here.
No. I'm not gonna put this all together. You're gonna put it all together.
Okay.
Okay.
Together.
Okay, you gotta wait for the
You have
next
to look.
directions.
At the directions, Hagen. Okay, you put it right in here.
Oh.
Oh man.
his leg popped off. I'll get it. Yeah.
Oh. Because we were putting it in the wrong place.
Oh no.
Oh, it's black. Yeah, I didn't know it didn't go in there. Sorry, I didn't know. Does this go in the back now?
Nice. It's looking like a horse, huh?
Yeah, let me see. Let me see what it looks like.
True beast. I got all the slime off.
Okay. Now we need to put the legs together.
All right,
So
find the
every-
legs.
Hagen, look.
Find all the legs.
Everyone has one of these pieces.
Oh. Found one.
Oh, you didn't do what I told you, bud.
Mom told you
Look,
every
the little
every
orange pieces go on there. Here's an
find
orange
a little
piece.
orange piece and put them on the legs.
I got it. I know the one.
Hagen, grab a leg
Grab a leg. Look.
and put the orange piece to the leg.
Oh, you mean this is the orange piece or that one?
Yes, that's the orange piece. Now add it to the
You're
leg.
gonna have to follow directions better than this, but
Yeah, buddy.
it's not words. It's showing you pictures.
You're getting ready to start school.
Okay, again, come on.
Come on, buddy.
This one already has one. Look.
Oh.
Now, can you do the next one?
Can
Yeah.
you do the next one? This one and this one?
Yeah. This goes here.
Is that how the other ones are? No.
I think it goes in the bottom.
Yep.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, give it to mommy.
I got it.
I don't think you do.
I see it all the way over there.
Let's see, buddy.
It's almost there.
Yeah, you almost got it. Good job. There you go. Okay, it's on. Good job, buddy.
Are all the legs back on?
Yep, all the legs are
Okay,
ready.
put this. Okay, now we're gonna put the legs on. Hold on. Okay, let's look at what. Hold on.
You gotta add the legs to those little spots.
Put this one on.
Push it on.
Okay.
Just connect it.
Just go here.
Push down.
Okay. And put this one on the
Okay.
back. Okay. And do the
Tail.
same thing on the other side. We'll put the tail on in a minute. Here, put the foot on. The
Put
leg.
the foot on.
Legos are just like puzzles. These aren't Legos, but this is like a Lego. You've been playing with Legos a long time, but you haven't ever done like then that was set.
It's almost
All right.
done.
Now this goes on his head. So put it on his head.
You can't lose the pieces.
Like a
bud.
unicorn horn. Nope.
Oh, goes like this. This is his thing.
It's looking good.
More parts.
Yeah.
Let's turn this.
See.
Okay, you gotta finish reading the directions.
Okay, bud. Here he gets a shield.
I'm almost done.
Oh wow.
Good job, buddy.
The sprays are right behind these things. So I'm gonna move the ways.
That's his armor, his shield. No, nothing goes on the bottom.
Let me see.
You gotta look at the directions,
Look,
baby.
buddy. They go around his legs.
Oh,
Around his
legs.
legs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, this is really slippery. Hey, why do you think this is so slippery? Because you want it.
These are the ones that go on his legs, okay, buddy?
Yeah.
This goes on his chest. Move your thumb.
Can I do the horse?
It's looking good, man.
No, you don't need to do the horse now.
Nothing goes at the bottom. Hagen.
This goes by his legs. Probably this is good to right.
Nothing goes on the bottom, bud.
This is.
No, there's 4 of these because they go on his legs.
These are his. Is this his head? The part of the right head?
Yep, goes. I don't know where that one. These go on his legs. So.
Or put it on his wing. You do it.
We gotta get this one off.
Okay.
This one go there.
Okay, I'll take it off. Oh.
Yep.
Oh,
There
nice
you go.
one, Dad. Really working on it. Let's see it goes. No.
No, it goes on the side of his face.
It does?
Yeah, I don't know how.
Here, Mom, it goes here.
Where did you put it?
Goes here, probably. No, it doesn't. Does it?
Mm-mm.
Or this goes here.
He doesn't have anything on his back, but
Oh. Can I tell you?
hang on. Okay.
Now I'm going to do the tail.
These go on the back legs.
Oh, the back of the legs?
Yeah.
Let me find it. Goes on the back of the legs. This one looks like a snake or something. Let me see what the directions say. What they say.
Trying to see what those.
You know, try.
Yep. Put the tail back on.
I'll try. This is the tail.
Nope.
That's where it goes over there.
It's his mane. It's called a mane. Now put the thing in here. Let me see that piece.
You gotta put this like this.
There we go. We got it, Hagen. We got it, Hagen.
Woohoo! Let's
Yep.
take a look at
Now
this
you put it on
puppy.
the stick.
Put him on the stick. Nice job, Hagen. That is your first beast egg. How do you feel?
Good.
You got charcoal.
Turn it around so I can see. Spin it. Nice
Charcoal.
job. Let me see.
Let me stick it
Wow,
up again.
look at that. Look at that. That is cool. You did an awesome job.
Good job, Hagen.
All right.
High five.
High five. Now say goodnight.
Good night.